Hello friend, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So in today's video, we're gonna discuss how to shut down your machine, your computer from using your email address. Interesting, right? Suppose you forgot your computer to shut down, and you are in a market, and suddenly you come to know, oh, I forgot to shut down our machine. Okay, then you just need to send an email. Okay, and in subject you need to write shutdown. Okay, you need to write shutdown uh, space shutdown space slash s. Okay, this is shutdown command. So in the subject of email, you need to write this, and your machine going to be shut down. Okay, and you will learn that how to integrate the programs, okay, one program to another programs for a specific task. And you will also get how to make some programs like ransomware, okay, some virus type of program. But I'm not going to discuss too much on this topic regarding ransomware, because it's I think it's totally unethical. Okay, and this is not allowed here in our country. This is a punishable offense. So I'm not going to discuss too much that point, but you will get some idea about that. So first of all, if you are new, then make sure that you have to watch our previous videos in which I have told you that how to read emails, okay, from Gmail server, from your email ID. Okay, because our program gonna work from reading your emails, your subject, whatever command, whatever emails you have sent to your emails. Based on that, your computer going to read your emails, and based on the subject you have written, based on the command you have given, your computer going to execute that command, and going to perform the what based on your command, it's going to perform the task. Okay, so start the programming. I have created a new program. From here, file, and create new project, and you can give name like that, control system or any system you can give. Okay, this is your class name, and you will you will start your creating project. You will automatically, you can see that. So this is the program, and don't forget to add the jar files. I have already we have already seen this, and I have already told you and mentioned several times in our previous video that we need to include activation jar and java mail.jar files. These are GDK you will get directly, and all these things we need to add. Okay, extra. How to add this? You need to watch our previous videos. Most probably our first video, how to send Java emails. Okay, I have told you that how to send a email through Java programming. So in that program, I have explained these things. So here, now you need to include these packages, and just you know uh, these headers. So just take a screenshot, and first import these files. Okay, and make sure that regarding these mails, you are not going to get these mail, your mail headers, until you import these jar files. Okay, because these folders are available in this jar files. Okay, in this jar library. So make sure to add these jar files. So you need to import this one. These two we are not using basically for in this program we are not using, but actually I was using, but I have right now I have removed this, so we can see here that this is not used. Okay, so come to our class. This is our public class. You can see here control system. So control system is and we have one method here, command. Okay, it's prototype method is there, and we have to pass a argument here. Okay, and when we call this method, we have to pass an argument. Okay, on value, so that value going to assign here, and based on the value, uh, this going to execute our command. Okay, whatever command we are getting from the emails, we are going to execute here. So this is the for execution of the command. Okay, so hope you have note down from this. And this is just I have just written that suppose you want to shut down your machine, you need to route, you need to send shutdown space slash s. If you want to hibernate your computer, shutdown space slash h. That's it. And so hope you have noted down from here. And take this also a screenshot, catch. Okay. Then this is our this is again one method for reading the emails. Okay, so note it down. I have already explained this host and string users and password, blah blah blah. So this is POP3 protocol, post office version 3 protocol, that is used to read emails from server side. Okay, from server to client machines, client program. This is our program. This is not any client. This is, we can say, our client. Okay, but server is Gmail. Gmail server. We are reading the emails from Gmail server. Okay. It use port number 995. Okay. So hope you have noted down, and take the screenshot from here. Okay. So we are basically reading the emails from inbox folders. Okay, and here we are counting the length, counting the number of messages. Okay, and we are storing it here. So here we are printing three things. One is the number of emails, and subject, and that is very important part of our programming, subject. Okay, whatever is there in the subject, that we are going to consider. We are not going to consider here message, what the message you are passing. We are actually not reading that message. Okay, so in previous video I have already told you, and I have given you some work, some homework, that you need to add some function here to uh, read the message also. Okay, read this, because we are reading here subject only, and this is a from, means from who sent this email. Okay, so see here, here we have stored this subject, whatever we are getting in the subject we have stored here, and we call this function, see here, command, and this is the argument, this is the value we are passing to the command method we are calling here. Okay, we call this method command, and where the command, I told you, this one the command method, and this value going to whatever command we have in the subject we have sent is going to assign here and going to assign here, and it going to execute here. Okay, this value is assigned in command, and command is here, and it's going to execute the command. And if you are getting some message, some output after the executing of the command, you will get that output also, like in second video, like in system monitor, when we are when we are pinging actually, okay, the devices, then we are getting the ping replies. So you can when we are executing ping command here followed by IP address, then we are getting some ping response, and that you can noted that we can send that ping through this output. Okay, but uh, here in shutdown and in hibernate, actually we are not getting any output. It after execution of this command, system going to be down. Okay, without leaving any message, so probably we are not gonna get any message here in the output. Okay, So this is the after getting, see here, after getting the subject, whatever you have written in the subject, after reading it, storing here and calling the storing in s, and you can put any variable here, okay, based on this is for your choice. So totally local, and or you can no, you cannot, it will become complex. So this is good. So you store here and you put here and call it, okay. So when we call it, it's going to execute there. In case of any error, now close the store, okay, that email box is stored, and this is the three type of exception that may arrive, and that is handled here, and close this, okay. So hope you are noting in doubt clearly, and make sure to clearly make sure this open and close curly braces, okay, this is very important. Now this is the our main function. One thing I tell you that every Java function start the execution from main method only, okay. So this is the main method. In main method we are assigning some value. Here we are using post office protocol Gmail, means this is the Gmail server from where we are going to read our emails, and this is POP3 version, means post office protocol version 3, okay. And this is the email address. This is the email address test java mail dot something, uh, from where we are going to read the emails. And make sure here you need to put your email address, okay, from where you are going to read your emails. And don't forget to put your exact password here, because your program going to log in, okay, using post office protocol. Your program going to log in your email id, your this email id, with the help of password. After the login, they are going to read your emails, okay, your number of emails, your subject, your from where you received that emails, okay. That's thing they this program going to read, okay. You need to use your own email and password, okay. So I you can see here that for making you understand it properly, I have used my email address and password. So don't try to use this, because after the release of this video on the public forum, I'm going to change my password. So please don't try to log in this. I have made this email for temporary purpose only, okay. Just for making you understand that means you need to send some email on this email id, okay. Sending email by id can be anything. Listen clearly, listen carefully. Sending email id can be anyone, any person from any part of the world. But but this destination, this tool, this two, from where you are sending, okay. So the destination email id is must be the same that you are defining here, because in this email you are going to read, okay. And you have to send command, whatever the command you want to execute, that you need to send on the email id that you have assigned here, because your program going to read emails from this location, from this email id, using this password, okay. This is for a new task creation. And this is a java thread program. It going to call it again and again. And this is a timer, and you can increase or decrease this timer. If you increase this timer, your program going to repeat your program repeat again and again, uh, with some interval of time, okay. But if this interval is more, it be take some time, then repeat. And if your interval is short, it going to repeat it very fast, okay. So when we run this program, we are calling this function check. Check means after after this value, this function, this check function is called, okay, with passing four values, like this four value is going to assign here, and check function is called. So what is check function? So first note it down clearly, and this is the end of the programming, okay, and you need to close each and every brackets properly. So this is for task, and task is closed here. When you close the task, don't forget to put comma here, semicolon here, okay. And this is for this, and this is for task, and after the task you need to set timer, okay. After that, this is the for your main method, okay, your public static void main method, and this is your for public class, okay, the main class. And one more things I need to explain here, that check function, this check function is for calling for reading based on this value, like POP3 protocol, and this is reading from Gmail. That's why gmail.com. You can may use I don't know it gonna work or not, but you can use here pop.yahoo.com, something like other email server you can use, but I have tested it on Gmail, so I have written here Gmail, and you can use here yahoo.com also. Okay, so this is the Gmail server, and it can be changed based on your server. You can change it. So in check function, we are basically calling the function passing these value, okay. So we need to see how the check function is there. So check function is basically for emails, okay. So you can see here we have one method that is check, and you have already noted it down. So we are called here this check function from run method and run thread, and we have passed four value for argument here, and that going to assign here, okay, your gmail.com, your pop3 version, and this is your user email id and your password, from where this check function going to read the value. And after reading the value, there this value going to assign, we can print here like this, and we can store it also in s, and we can call our function, that is command, to execute that command, okay. So I think you got some idea that how you can send a command, and how it's going to how your program going to read it, and how after the reading how it's going to execute it, okay. So and as per make it more dangerous in terms of means dangerous for the system, like ransomware type of things, then you need to store these values, like if you give shutdown command here, and suppose you have given hibernate command here, okay. So make sure that when your system are going to be in hibernate, and when you again try to start it, when you click start button, and when your window going to start and it's resuming, and during the same time that in the net your program is running inside, okay. So when your window will trying to start, you will notice that you definitely going to notice that your program again given the hibernate command, okay. And your computer going to be down again, and you will again try to start it, and when when you will be about to start, and at the same time your program again going to give it hibernate command, because this program is going to run again and again, okay, until you going to close this program. And as you know, how you going to close this program if you are not able to enter in your computer, okay. Take for example, when I run this program, So this is, as I told you, that this program have Java, Java thread method. So you can see here there are 8 message and subject is high, and this is we have received from this address. Okay, and you can see here error cannot run program high, means I have given subject high, and you can see the high is not any command. Okay, that's why we are getting this error. But you can see here the latest mail here is high. So and from here we are reading the emails, okay, for executing commands. So here the last total email is 8, you can see here. So that's why it's showing 8, and that's why it's showing 8. And hi is the latest subject, and we have received this email from here. Okay, so if I send this if I from this email, from any email address, was, you know, uh, last week I have sent this shutdown slash hibernate to this email, from here. Okay, then it's going to read, it, shutdown slash hibernate, and it's going to execute it, and my computer going to be in a hibernate. Okay, so you can see here that your program is, you can see here, control system run is it going to run for, for whole life. Okay, means until you're gonna stop it, or until you going to, shut down your computer. So when your system going to be in hibernate, and you will try to restart it, then this program is already running in background. Okay, because in hibernate, that your all the systems are opens. Okay, but in shutdown it's not going to create any problem. If you give shutdown command, then you try to start it, you can easily start it, because your program is your Java program is going to be shut down. Okay, but if you want to make this program more dangerous, and more like ransomware, then you need to handle these things very smartly, and you need to make some more programming that I already mentioned, that I'm not going to write here, because it seems like unethical. But I think you have got some idea about that. So uh, in this program, I'm not going to send this, because I can send it. I can, I can send it again, this shutdown slash hibernate. But last time I have, when I was making this similar video, I can just give you some live testing example, that I was making this video only for YouTube, for you people, and I have given shutdown command. Okay, and at the end, for showing you, and when I open my computer, then I found that I lost my recording. I lost all my efforts for making the video. So I don't want to give the shutdown or the hibernate command, because in a hibernate also I have noticed that means I have noticed that I am getting some problem in my videos. Okay, so I don't want to waste my uh, based my effort. So I think you have learned a lot, and try to write this program in a similar way, and you can change. You can learn more. You can change the things, and your new task is, suppose you want to create a folder, okay, in your computer, and you need to you just send a email, and in subject you write something, you write some folder name, and that folder gonna create in your computer. Okay, suppose you want to create a folder in your computer, in D drive, C drive, any drive. Okay, and you just need to send that folder name, or and path, okay, in subject, and that folder going to be created. Okay, that folder gonna created in your computer automatically by this program. Okay, so this is your home task, and I just want to give you some hint that for creating a folder or directory you need to use mkdir function that is available in Java for creating a directory. Okay, but how to use it and means try to use it. Okay, so this is your home task. It's not gonna easy, but you're going to learn a lot. Okay, so hope you have learned a lot, and thank you very much for watching it. And as we know, the coronavirus pandemic is still going on, so you know, just take care of your and your family, and we'll see you soon in next video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our video. And thanks for watching.